118 elements arranged inside me. They include metals, non-metals, metalloids, solids, liquids, gases and many more. I have 4 blocks inside me. Let me introduce them one by one. Let me call the first block, that is S block.
Hi, I am S block. I have totally 13 elements in me. They are belong to 1A and 2A groups. They are highly reactive.
Now let me call the next block, that is P block.
Hi, I am D block. I have mainly non-metals and metalloids in me. One significance of me, the element type of carbon and water.
Now let me call the next block, that is D block.
Hi, I am D block. I have 11 groups in me. I have many metals in me. My significance is the most of the metals like gold, silver, platinum are inside my block.
Now let me introduce F block to you.
Hi, I am F block. I have 2 rows. The first row of 14 elements are called actinides. The second row of 14 elements are called actinides. The elements in my group are more radioactive in nature and they are used to generate electricity with the method of controlled chain reaction.
Now last but not the least, let me introduce a special group to you, that is zero group.
Hi, I am zero group. My group elements are very reserved and they don't want to combine with other elements and also called as noble gases.